Buddy, and today we are playing stock car racing on mobile. But I'm gonna drive backwards in the endurance race. It's gonna be funny because I'm just gonna do a head-on collision with everybody. There we go. We already damaged. Let's just move this up at the top here so I don't touch it. This is gonna be fun. I've already got 4% damage, and that's to the back only. Oh. I just died. Oh, he's on fire already, too. That guy behind us is on fire. Let's see how fast I can go and just knock somebody down. I'm just gonna do this for 10 minutes. Oh. Just knocked. I'm just gonna do a head-on collision with somebody. Massive wreck. My car is smoking. Let's go this way. Die bomb! Boom! Into the leader. Let's see if I can make somebody flip upside down. Let me just... Oh, he just took me out there. I've got 8% damage. It's the most damage I've actually had. Oh. I have the rear view mirror because you can change it. So I have the rear view mirror on so I can see what happens behind me. Just head-on collision with that guy. Boom. I ended that guy's chances of living. I swear, if you even tried this in your life, you would probably die. This is not survivable. Poor car. It's taking a beating already. Die bomb! Oh! How high did that go? Because whenever you go too high, it respawns you into the ground. Oh, he flipped over! He flipped over! What happened to my car? I think... What happened? Hold on. I still have my tires. Oh, no. Let's not go there. You've seen the different views. Boom! Oh, he died! He got flipped around. He's in the infield. And that guy's being flipped over because he got respawned. Oh, I'm in the pits. Let's go this other way. I'm on fire now too. Like it looks like popcorn. Oh, there's a guy coming around. T-bone. Ooh, he got killed. Let's see if we can make a big, massive car pile up. Ooh, massive pile up. My poor car, my poor engine. Oh, he got flipped upside down. It has auto gas on when you're not using the brakes. Because it's a mobile game, so you can't steer and turn and do all that stuff at the same time. Then you need like all fingers on the screen. Bong! Ooh! What happened to him? I'm making a cloud of smoke right now. He's on fire. Some guy coming around the bank. I'm not gonna take him out. I'm gonna take somebody out on the front straight. That's what I'm gonna do right here. I'm gonna take someone out if they come around. Right here. Boom! Oh my god! He's upside down. Oh! This is big air. Oh! He died too. Poor car is just sticking to the wall now. Oh. Head-on collision, I flipped him over. Go away. I'm in last place because I'm still in the first lap. My poor engine, it's struggling. I'm gonna hit somebody on the straight. Boom! Oh! Well, he got flipped over. He flipped himself. He flipped over. Boom! Bong. Play the Taco Bell bong over that. Bong. That wasn't really a bong, but... Bong! Oh! Got T-boned. This game doesn't really have good quality for like graphics settings and like quality and stuff, but the game is good because it sticks to what it tells you that you can do in the game. Because it's true to its word. And those are good mobile games. Oh, missed that one. Boom! Oh. Bon. Oh, I missed him. I didn't get him. I'll get this guy right here. He's dead. Boom! He flipped over. For third place. He's about to lose it. Here, I got you. Take down that guy too. This person right here. That one died as well. Who's that? Who's in front of me? Oh, 10th place is in front of me. Big, massive car pile up back there. Oh, somebody flipped over. I have it in kilometers. Because I used the metric system. Oh, did he get hit again? He got hit again and again. He's upside down. Oh, and he respawned. Oh, that guy just got hit from behind and from in front. I'll probably do like 12, 13 minutes with this. Ooh, he got hit again? My poor car, it has no grip, no nothing. It doesn't have any body plates or anything. Boom! I spun. Could I change to the second lap? Yeah, it doesn't. Didn't change. Hit him. Boom. Oh, he flipped over. No. No, we want to see what happened. Oh, the camera settings are too close to each other. Ooh. I clipped him. Knocked him over. Oh, he first is still stuck in there. Gonna take this guy out. Ready? Boom! Oh, he flipped over. He flipped over. He's now 5th place. Oh, he had to get respawned. He went too high for the game. I'm gonna go one lap backwards, and then I'm gonna hit somebody on the front straight. That's what I'm gonna do. Oh, that guy just got wrecked. I'm right on the outside, because nobody drives on the outside. Knocked him. He just died. I just saw him get respawned in the mirror. Oh God. Oh, please no. This is catastrophic damage. And this is just low damage. If I put it on high damage, I'd probably be at like almost 99% health. Or like 99% damage. I'm gonna hit this guy right here. Boom! Oh, he took off. Oh, he got respawned because you can see the cloud. Oh. Oh, he got hit again. And again. He got triple killed. I have tap to steer on. Because tilting your screen is not good. Oh, I flipped him over. He has to be flipped over on. He's not. Boom! Oh! He's upside down. He's in the air. That must be so... you must be bad about it. Taking 11th place down. I'm not actually shifting gears. The game's shifting. Boom! Oh, that sounds like an aeroplane. Oh, I got spun. I was planning to take out the 2 guys behind me. I'm gonna take out whoever is in front of me now. I'm gonna hit this guy right here. He's dead. Oh, I'm dead! Boom! Boom! I'm stepping it. Tug of war fight. Go away, my guy. Thank you. Boom! Head-on collision. He died. Rip. That guy needs to move. Oh, he can't move. He's actually on fire. Like, not the car isn't like smoking from behind. Like, his car is literally on fire. Oh, he flipped over. He barrel rolled. Yeah, he barrel rolled into the other guy. That guy had an instant death right there. If he was a cat, he probably lost 8 of his 9 lives. Oh, and again with the 1st place and 3rd place. We just collided. Boom. Oh. I'm gonna stay out of trouble with this one. These people are probably thinking there's a lunatic on the track going backwards. Somebody stop him. Boom! Well, you're right. And you just died. Oh, he was stuck on the wall. I actually got into the infield one time with the massive crash that I did. I got into the infield. It was crazy. I'm gonna hit this guy right here. Boom! Aw. Aw. Boom! Oh, he took off. You see him in the air. This guy was dead. Oh, I died. Alright, I'm gonna stop this now. Alright, I hope you guys, no ads. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.